We get this question a lot. What soil do I use? Come on, I'll show you. Here are the outside soils. You want to put vegetables or herbs. The Pro Mix, vegetable and herb mix, self-explanatory, but it's a little bit lighter mix, and it also contains mycorrhiza to help boost that growth. There's the general Myke's potting mix for potting up your containers, your planters. You can also use this for vegetables, and it also contains mycorrhiza, but it's just a more all-purpose general soil. Sea Soil Container Complete, similar to the other one, covers a ton of bases from vegetables to flowers. I've used it in just about everything. Arts Super Soil is an all-purpose. I would use it either mixed with some of the other ones for containers or use it as it is in your garden or flower beds. Sea Soil Compost is a great addition for top dressing your containers if you have existing containers with perennials, conifers, what have you. We have the manures, the mushroom and the steer. Those help amend the soil. They improve moisture and nutrient retention. Sand you can add if you need to improve drainage in your soil. Finally, we have the lawn soil, which has a little bit higher sand blend, a little bit finer drainage, finer soil. So if you're top dressing or overseeding, you want to use your lawn soil. It will blend in really nicely with what you have.